If you want to clear browsing data on CMF Phone 2 Pro, all you need to do is simply open the browser. In my case, I'm going to use the Chrome browser. And generally speaking, you need to find the option to clear browsing data somewhere in the settings. So in the case of the Chrome browser, the easiest way to clear it, to clear the browsing data, we need to tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then we have the delete the browsing data option. In your case, you might need to go to settings, so try to find it somewhere, and then you should be able to find the option that allows you to clear data. In this case, we have the option to choose whether we want to remove the last 15 minutes, the last hour, and so on and so forth. We can also clear the whole browsing data by choosing all time, and then we can simply press delete data. Besides that, we can also go to more options in order to once again select the time range over here, but this time in the top right corner, and you can decide what specifically you want to clear. So you can just clear the browsing history, for example, over here, and then we can press delete data in the bottom right corner in order to confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.